Welcome to the White Pine Business Park, home of the greatest memory technology company in the world.
Today we are breaking ground and making the beginning of a transformation. On the fields today there is snow and soil, but in your mind's eye, I want you to see what is coming. Imagine the mega fabs that will be built here, each of them size of 10 football fields. That's what's going to be here, and over time there will be 4 of them.
Sanjay, to you, your team, the board, thank you. Thank you for putting your trust in your company's largest investment in this community. And we will be the partners not just today through this process, but moving forward.
Today we are doing more than moving snow and dirt. We are celebrating an investment in America's future, an investment in jobs, economic security, and the future of U.S. leadership in AI and manufacturing the world's most advanced memory.
Ryan McMahon and I, your great county executive, visited an empty field in Clay. And it was just a little old field. And we had a dream that it would be transformed. We didn't know Sanjay then, we didn't know Micron then, but we had a dream. And now, today, we know it is real.
This is an amazing comeback story, the Onondaga County comeback story, the Central New York comeback story, but it's not just our story anymore, because it's the source of inspiration for mid-market communities across this country. What happens next is truly about you, the American worker, the Central New Yorker, coming to work for this great company, building the future right here, developing the workforce right here with all of our workforce partners, all the higher educational institutions.
We want to make sure that you are employed, that you are winning, that it's your jobs and our jobs.
The estimated 50,000 jobs to be created will support those hardworking families, and your $250 million contribution to workforce development, education, and skills training will benefit the community for years to come.
And I can honestly tell you, for the first time in my public life, which started when I was 24 years old, I can look at any student in this community and stare them in the eyes and know that I can tell them their future is here, their future is now, this moment is yours, God bless.